Major causes of workplace injuries for fishing and fish processing. 72 young adults are injured every year. Those 72 make up 13% of all injuries. 317 injuries result from vessel worker accidents, making it the most common job for injuries. Hands, shoulders, and back are the most common injured parts of a fisher's body. Some common injury causes are toxins in the water, like gases or chemicals; boat malfunctions, like engine problems; and bad weather conditions, like rain or snow. To stay safe, always be cautious and prepared. Learn before you act.